Have you ever wondered what happens after a loved one passes away and leaves you an inheritance? It is natural to feel overwhelmed during such a time, but understanding the necessary steps can make the process much smoother. To successfully claim inherited money, you will typically need several key documents, including the death certificate, the deceased person's will or trust, your identification, and possibly probate court documents if required. These foundational papers prove your right to the assets and facilitate the transfer. The need for these specific documents stems from the legal requirements for verifying identity, confirming the deceased person's wishes, and ensuring the rightful transfer of assets. Financial institutions, like banks and investment firms, must comply with strict regulations to prevent fraud and ensure that funds are distributed correctly. For example, a certified death certificate legally proves the person's passing, while a will or trust legally designates beneficiaries and how assets should be managed. You will also need to provide your government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or passport, to prove you are the named beneficiary. Depending on the type of account, you might also need account statements or other records from the deceased person to locate and verify the specific assets. If the estate goes through probate, official court orders will be essential to authorize the distribution of funds. When gathering these documents, always request several certified copies of the death certificate from the funeral home or vital records office. These certified copies are often required by different institutions and will prevent delays. It is also wise to create an organized file, keeping both physical and digital copies of everything, ensuring easy access when you are dealing with multiple financial entities. By proactively gathering and organizing these essential documents, you ensure a clear and efficient process for claiming inherited money. This careful preparation will ultimately minimize stress and allow for a seamless transfer of assets during a difficult period.